Okay, if you have a gas can that does not have a funnel and it's just completely empty like that, and you want to be able to pour the gas into your car, for example, or even a lawnmower or another small gasoline engine like a string hedger cutter or whatever, and you don't have a nozzle like this, the only thing that you have to have is a funnel. So check around your garage or inside your car, or you need to go into the gas station and buy a cheap funnel like this, or you can get them off of Amazon. And the only thing you have to do is stick it in like this. Of course, you want to make sure that your engine is off, and you want to use plastic. You don't want to use metal in case it forms a spark. And you know what could happen if a spark formed your gasoline. So you make sure you want to make sure it's plastic. You just want to take it slow at first, but slowly pour in it. So let's go ahead, and for demonstrations, I'll go ahead and pour my gas in now. And you want to go slow. And it'll take a lot longer doing it this way, but that's how you can do it. That's how you can do it if your gas can does not have a funnel attached to it or it's missing. All right, thanks so much for watching, and make sure you subscribe. And I'll put a link in the comment section where you can buy one that does have a funnel off of Amazon directly. All right, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe.